Hey everybody, today I'll be making my favorite childhood cake that my mom makes called Bolo de Laranja, which simply means orange cake. I'm your host, Nelson Paulo Freitas de Andrade, and you are watching Elmar Kitchen. Vamos lá! Our delicious orange cake is similar to a pound cake. The orange zest in the dough gives a pretty golden color. This is traditionally baked in a crown-shaped mold. On the next step, we're going to combine the flour, salt, and baking powder together. Now traditionally, we use ice and sugar and we sprinkle on top of the cake. However, today, we're going to make a Nelmar glaze, and the ingredients are as follows. Using melted 2 teaspoons of butter, 1 orange zest, and 1 squeezed full orange, with 2.5 cups of ice and sugar. Thank you for watching Elmar Kitchen. Until next time, beijinhos.